Hello, welcome back. This is me Elizabeth with student ID number 24797. Here, I will explain the material about the importance of teacher-student relationship for teaching well-being. Abstract: the importance of teacher-student relationship for teacher well-being. This article authored by Gentil, Splithelm, M. Komen, and Jotem. This discusses the significance of relationship between teacher and student in the context of teacher well-being. Although numerous studies have explored the effects of this relationship of child development, there remains a lack of investigation in impact of the professional and personal lives of teachers. Utilizing Lazarus' transitional model of stress and coping as a framework, this paper examines how teacher-student relationship affect teacher well-being. The transactional model of stress and coping explains that individuals' reaction to stress is guided by their subjective assessment of external stressors. This assessment involves two steps: the initial appraisal, which determines the relevance of events to individual goals, and the secondary appraisal, which evaluates the individual ability to cope with the situation. In the content of teacher-student relationship, if these relationships are positive, they can trigger pleasant, emotional, and support the well-being of teacher. Influence of teacher-student relationship on teacher well-being. Studies indicate that a good relationship with student yield internal benefit for teacher and adds meaning to their profession. Often, this relationship serves as a main reason why teachers continue their careers. Griffiths discovered that the bond with students is primarily a source of happiness and motivation for teachers, whether at elementary or intermediate levels. Research showed that encountering conflict in this relationship can harm a teacher's self-confidence and increase feelings of desperation. On the contrary, research with students are positively correlated with a teacher's confidence in managing difficult student behavior. Translation: influence of teacher-student relationship on teacher well-being. Studies demonstrate that a favorable relationship with pupils confers internal advantages for instructor and lends significance to their occupation. Frequently, this connection functions as a major cause for instructor continue in their profession. Nevertheless, strain endured by instructor can similarly escalate owing to dispute within their bonds with scholars. Investigation reveals that comforting disagreement in these alliances can impair an instructor's self-assurance and augment sentiment of despondency. Conversely, nearly affection amongst scholars correlate favorably with attraction assurance regarding handling troublesome pupil comportment. Understanding motivation and attachment theories. Two primary theories relevant to comprehending the importance of these relationships are self-determination theory and attachment theory. Self-determination theory. Key points: 3 basic physiological needs. SDT proposes that humans have 3 fundamental physiological needs: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Meeting this need contributes to intrinsic motivation and improve overall well-being. Autonomy refers to acting voluntarily. Competence includes experiencing master and efficacy, and relatedness encompasses the need to feel connected to others in meaningful manner. Motivation quality. The theory categories motivation along continuum from law to high self-determination, distinguishing between intrinsic motivation and amotivation. Intermediate state involve various types of relegation, all contributing to differing qualities of motivation. International process. Central to SDT is the concept of internalization, where less autonomous regulatory process become more self-determined through satisfying the basic physiological needs. This process supports the development of better regulated behaviors and improved physiological state. Attachment theory. Key points. Importance of early bonds. Attachment theory highlights the significance of early relationship between infants and their primary caregivers. As secure attachment assessment severe and promotes healthy social emotional development. Conclusion. The relationship between teachers and students has a significant impact on teacher well-being. This well-being is influenced not only by external factors such as administrative workload, but also by the quality of daily interaction with students. Therefore, it is essential for schools to create an environment that fosters positive relationships between teacher and student in order to enhance overall well-being within the educational setting.